Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Isaac, BSIT 1A. So in this video, I'm going to show you my system and how it works. So let's start it. So this is my system. So this system is called room reservation system. So as you can see, this is my mainframe. Uh, yes, and as you can see, there is create room, see all vacant rooms, see all book rooms, and there is an exit. So let's start with create room. As you can see, you can create a room, multiple rooms. So let's type this as queen, the price of the room, so 1,200, and the capacity. So add, then you can actually add more. Room type is king, then the price of it and the capacity you want, customer want, I guess, like that. Room, let's do some quad 850, and then the capacity add. So let's add more. Single, price of the single is, and capacity, and then let's go to the vacant room to see all vacant rooms. You can see it's so many. So actually we can update the room. You see, can update the room number and room type, price, capacity. So you need to refresh it, as you can see, and then you need to update more. Single. So let's see, make it one. Successfully updated, just as you can see. So we're going to refresh it. So done. And then actually you can delete some room if you want to. So if you want to delete this, just click the room arrow. So delete room. So you're done. Gone automatically. We refresh it. There is no 106 room number. So you delete again. Delete room. Yes. So nawala siya. As you can see, balag i-refresh na ako. Fresh. So you can actually search for the room using the room number. As you can see, I enter this. See, so actually can, and actually I can book this room. So let's try. So just click that into, and then you can actually add the as you can see, it's default. You can edit this, and edit it unless this customer. So this system will input to the book rooms right here. And I need to put customer, for example, Sir Chris. So book room successfully added. Let's see, and you go back and then book room there. So as you can see, so and we can actually set this room as vacant. So automatically, yes. So that's it. There, it's gone. So next is I'm going to show you my codes and how does it work. So let's start with the main frame, my main. As you can see, there is no mini code, just only the buttons. So this button is actually a J option pin confirmation. If you exit the system, it will say this. Are you sure? Yes. No. Okay. Next is the bot add room button. As you can see, this is the add room button. Add room, and it goes to the add room there. And this is my code. As you can see, uh, this is the file, the room text, where we can load the info into the text file. So this is the code to put the info in the text file, rooms text file. So this button is exit button or cancel button. Yes. And as you can see here, it's the to input the info in the file, text file. As you can see this ROM ID, so the variable is here, every 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 text field. So yes, and this is the print writer, so that it will output in the room text file. So let's go back to the main Java, as to the main to my main frame, as you can see. So next is the vacant room. Let's go to the vacant room first before we go to the book room. So as you can see, this is my vacant room. So let's start with here. So as you can see, so this is the name of my table. As you can see, status, room number, room type. As you can see here. And then again, the same with the add room. You can see the room text file. And then this is the code to get, I guess, to load the data from the text file into the R list. And there is a loop. As you can see, this loop adds the data from the R list into the J table. So this code is the search, as you can see, search here. Yes, that's it. So this is my delete button. As you can see, if you selected the row, and if there is no selected, it will show this J option, no row selected. If else, then if you click the row, then the delete button, the rows will remove. As you can see, we have the also the output. This is not a output stream. This is the one from the text file, I guess. Yes, get the text file and actually then remove it successfully. Delete. So that's it. And next is the update button. So this is my update button. As you can see, there is the shows the uh, frame, J frame from another from. As you can see, update frame. So we're going to update frame first. So this is my update frame. As you can see, so delete. As you can see, this is my variables, and then the same with the other one from the ROM text. We're going to edit it in the ROM text from the ROM text file. So this is the save or update right here. Yes, yes. uh, so this is the string. This is the string. As you can see, status. So this variable is right here. There is room type, price, capacity, status. Yeah, and that's it. So as you can see, this is the if you selected the room will set to edit it, and as you can see, there is a print writer. So if you edit it, it will output the room text. It will go to the info. The info will go to the room text file and and change the info. So let's go back to the main Java mainframe. I vacant room. So this is the one. If you select the table, as you can see, this table is named as table, but the variable of this is table. As you can see, table. If get selected, if there is no row selected, it will output this. After that, string data. As you can see, this code it will set the text. So from the same with the same variables, you can see this here. So yes, so that's it. So this is my book action perform. As you can see, book room. So let's go to the book room. So the same, but there is another text file. So in this text file is we're going to book. So if you book something in the vacant room, it will input in the bookings text file. This is the code, the same with the other ones. So this is my book action performed. So this is the string. See, then if we book something, we need to use this print writer file output stream so that it will book to the the info will input to the box box text file. So that's it. And we're going to back to vacant room. So as you can see, vacant room. So this table, so the same. So the table, the name of the table is the variable. The name of the variable here is table. So you can see table selected row. If there is no selected, the J option will pop up and no and say no row is selected. So you can see for the string, as you can see there is no status because we put it into the book room because we make it occupied. As you can see the room ID, type, price, capacity. We only put this because it's only default a default to the to book something in the book text file. So we're not going to put some status and customer because it's from the rooms text file. So we get the room text from the room text file. We get the room ID, type, price, and capacity, and then after that, in the book room, it automatically the default of the room ID will input type and the price and the capacity will input to the book room, and the status in the customer is not default. This will pag, pag book room nimo mo ano siya set text file na siya. Kumbaga if imo na siyang i-butang dire ano siya text text ay ano jud ni siya set na jud ni siya occupied, then dili ni siya and it is default and not editable. So and then the customer is ano siya ma-edit siya, pwede mo siya butngan o ngalan ngalan sa customer, then good to go na. Then pagkahuman is the print writer. Mo na yung print writer. If katong book room, as you can see, irana ko ni. Pagkana, book room na ko, dapat double click. Pag ana, so dili siya ma-edit. So, it's default. As you can see. So as you can see, this is from the room text file. Kaning tulpat di kaning status set text file na siya. Ay set text to occupied gituyo ko ni para dili siya mo lahi ba kasi edit na then gusto mo na book na ka then man mo naka-book na ka so pag book ana nimo maadto man din na siya sa book rooms. Okay, book rooms, no, para maadto din siya sa book room, then kaning book room nga table naa na din siya sulod sa bookings text file. That's it. You can see my code. Okay. So that's all, I guess. Oh, so this frame is actually the main class. This is a main class, and then if I run man na muna jud ang kani siya kay kuan man. Oh, as you can see, mao ni main and main. So mao man ni. So mao jud ni mauna kay mao man akong job Java class. No, we vet set visible true. Ano yung variable set visible true. So I guess maura siguro to. And I guess maura siguro to. And yes, thank you.